Today, we will be cracking the egg code for the 10 surprising tips for buying, cooking, and storing nature's perfect protein. So, here's the deal. Eggs are everywhere. Scrambled for breakfast, slapped on top of your ramen, or hiding in your brownies pretending they're not doing half the work. But how much do you actually know about these little protein-packed wonders? Probably not as much as you think. Don't worry, we're not here to lecture. We're here to drop some egg facts that'll actually make your life easier. From cracking them like a pro to storing them without playing, "What's that smell in my fridge?" Number 1, keep them in the carton. You know that cardboard box your eggs come in? Don't toss it. Turns out it actually helps keep your eggs from drying out and soaking up that leftover fish smell lurking in the fridge. Plus, storing them pointy end down helps them stay fresh longer. Number 2, go for the omega-3s. Yeah, they cost a bit more, but omega-3 enriched eggs are like the overachievers of the egg world. These little guys are packed with the good stuff. The kind that helps your brain stay sharp and your heart keep ticking. If oily fish isn't your thing, no judgment, these eggs are a solid backup. One a day keeps the cardiologist away, or something like that. Number 3, chill on the cholesterol panic. Sure, eggs have cholesterol, but here's the deal. It's the saturated fat in food that actually messes with your blood cholesterol, not the cholesterol itself. A slice of cheddar is more likely to clog your pipes than an egg. So yeah, your omelet is off the hook. Number 4, eggs are kinda amazing. We're talking vitamin D, which we barely get from food. A, E, B12, and more. And choline, a brain booster that might just help you remember where you left your keys. Oh, and studies? 1 egg a day hasn't been linked to heart attacks or strokes, so eat the egg. Number 5, white or brown. Turns out it doesn't matter. Seriously, the color of the shell depends on the chicken, not the nutrition. Don't let egg racism live rent-free in your brain. They're the same on the inside. Like people, am I right? Number 6, is it still good? Got a sketchy egg? Drop it in a bowl of salted water. If it sinks, you're good. If it floats, toss it, no questions asked. That sucker's turned. Number 7, hate peeling hard-boiled eggs? Try this. Before boiling, poke a tiny hole in the fat end of the egg with a pin. It helps separate the shell from the white, so you don't spend 5 angry minutes picking at it like it owes you money. Number 8, freeze the leftovers, smartly. If you've ever saved egg whites in a random container and later went, "Wait, how many is this?" You're not alone. Here's a better move. Pour 1 white per ice cube slot, freeze, then bag and label them. You'll thank yourself when you need to whip up a meringue or a fancy omelet. Yes, frozen whites still work, not quite as fluffy, but still solid. Number 9, warm whites. Whip better. Eggs separate easier when cold, but if you want those whites to whip like a champ, think meringues or mousses, let them hang out at room temp for about 30 minutes. Warm equals more volume. Number 10, cracked one on the floor? Don't fight the slime with a wet rag. It just spreads like gossip. Dump some salt over the mess, wait 5 minutes, then wipe it up like a boss. No slime, no drama. Oh wait, here a fishy bonus for ya. Fish is another killer source of omega-3s. Problem is, finding the good stuff that's not wrecking the planet can be tricky. Look for that little blue MSC label. It means the fish came from a sustainable fishery. No guilt, no sketchy backstory. There you go. Everything you didn't know you needed to know about eggs. They're cheap, they're sneaky healthy, and honestly, they've got more tricks up their shell than most of us. And as always, live life with a G.O.S in it. Until next time.